So we have with us Suguna Challa. He's a gold member, and we have the angel coach Raksha Jain. So before coming on this call, I was informed that Suguna was taking asthma medicines from 40 years, 40 years. She has tapered the medicines, inhalers, steroid inhalers, nebulizers, bronchodilators, and all the tablets. And I was also informed that she has high blood pressure from 20 years and arthritis from 25 years. So if I talk about medicines she was eating, this list of medicines that I've been informed. And if I talk about her asthma medicines, which she was taking from 40 years, is 100% gone, not required, and she's totally out of her asthma. And high blood pressure, she was eating medicine from 20 years, 100%, all medicines gone, and the PP is normal. And arthritis, she was taking medicine from 25 years, all medicines gone, and she is completely out of it. And the time span it took 3 months, right? I'll start from Suguna, then I'll come to the angel coach Raksha. So this is a clear-cut message for those people who think that medicine is for lifetime. There's a living example in front of you. So over to you, Suguna. First of all, congratulations for coming and entering in this Hall of Fame. So how has been your journey? If you speak in your words, would be great.
Thank you, Vishal. And thank you, Raksha. Like Vishal said, I have been taking medicines all these years, and through my work with Go Nature, I've been able to cut down most of my medicines, and I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling energetic. So when I started, before, I used to try various methods, and it felt like a losing battle because I used to do exercises. Some things would be better, but most of the time it felt like, I'm running hard and staying in the same place. Sort of like you're in a boat with a lot of holes. You keep plugging one hole, another hole appears. So that's the way it felt. And one day I came across Go Nature's ad in YouTube. I said, let me see this. And I joined the webinar. I found that Vishal's explanation and the things he was talking about were very logical and reasonable. So I went on to join High workshop. And when Vishal said that you can heal from your problems at any age, natural methods and food, and you can regenerate your body through this method, I was very interested. So then I joined the gold membership, and my coach is Raksha. When she talked to me about all my problems, and she explained very clearly about the things that I'm supposed to do and how I'm supposed to deal with it, how the medicine tapering will be done. Although initially I thought it's not possible to reduce the medicines because all the doctors told me you have to take it for a lifetime, the rest of your life. And things only seem to be getting worse. But within the first 1 month, we had reduced to half the dosage for all the medicines, BP and rheumatoid arthritis. By the second month, we had stopped all medicines. Earlier, when I walked, I would get out of breath after a short distance. Mm-hmm. Now I'm able to walk maybe twice as much or thrice as much without getting out of breath. The speed at which I walk has improved. And very often my oxygen saturation used to be quite low. It would be 90 or less than 90 sometimes. Now it's 97, 98 most of the time. And only when I have discomfort, I take inhalers once in a while.
Amazing.
Whenever I had a doubt, whenever something wasn't clear, I'd message her. She'd respond to that. And it was very reassuring talking to her. And I enjoyed working with her. So that's where I am today. And I'm hopeful that one day I'll be able to go trekking as I want to do. Maybe.
Amazing. We'll go together. We'll take Raksha also.
Yeah.
Amazing. So I'm very thankful for this, Suguna. And more power to you. It's just a beginning, I would say. And we humans are meant to live 150 years. So you are just a teenager, right? 69 is just teenage. Now I'll come to Raksha.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for sharing the kind words. Your success is my success. I am glad that I got the opportunity. Thankful to Vishal sir and thankful to you that you had faith in naturopathy. Unless and until you have faith in that, there is no success. You will not see any results. You have shown that faith, and that is how my hard work and your also implementation, all this combination gives you the results. So I just want to say this to the complete community that it is the faith that is very, very important. Unless and until you have faith in the process, you will not see the results. So this is how we combine the knowledge that we have and the faith that we have, and we see the results. Yes. Thank you for the opportunity.
Amazing, amazing. Truly a magical combination, Suguna and Raksha. Suguna, you're also going to become a nutritionist.
Yes.
Yes. So let me tell each one of you, she's 69. Age is just a number. She's teenager, as I told you. She's also a diamond member. She's preparing to become a nutritionist. And I am telling you, Suguna, upfront, when you become a nutritionist, you're 69 and you start healing people, people will take you more seriously than I've experienced it. So more power to you. Now it's your turn to heal others in coming days.
Yes.
Amazing. So everybody please type MPTY in chat box for Suguna and Raksha. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishal.